I love DeFi, seriously. Decentralized finance, it completely changed the game with cryptocurrency. It put finance on chain, truly. Decentralized applications, or simply called dApps, are restoring power to the people. It's leaving you as the custodian of your coins, your crypto, your money, your capital, not putting yourself at risk if some centralized exchange or other entity goes bankrupt or rugs you or whatever else. DeFi essentially launched about half a decade ago. But even now, it's difficult to use, it's clunky, it's confusing, and in its current form, it'll never be mainstream. But there's an app that's looking to change all of that, simply called the DeFi app. Yo, I'm Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. I spent nearly the last decade learning more to try to earn more, get my capital deployed, working for me through the forms of passive income, Bitcoin and crypto mining, to liquidity mining, right? Yield farming, on-chain trading, airdrop hunting, and everything in between. DeFi app reached out to us to do a review, and their headline is that it's better than sex. That's CEX, settle down. But that's funny. Some of their strategic partners you may know. In particular, Not So Fast really sticks out to me. He used to be a mining guy. He's become a DeFi Degen since then. There's DeFi Dad, and also some other names you may recognize here in their strategic partners. They also had a $100 million valuation round led by Mechanism Capital. And here's the thing for me. I'm looking for a successful app. I'm not necessarily trying to get hung up on if they have a token and how I can get exposure to that. Like, that could be potentially interesting. But sometimes people see a 100 million valuation round. It's like, oh, it's a VC coin. I'm too late to it. Dude, this isn't really about the coin. Okay, this is a app that could be home for all things decentralized finance, right? No KYC. Let me say that again. No KYC. Know your customer. And it's not that we're doing bad or shady things. We just have a right to privacy. A lot of people don't understand that. So I'm going to go ahead and spell it out for you. It's AI supercharged. You see that on every app these days, but that's fine. That can absolutely be good and a benefit. When you have self-custody, or you're the custodian of your coins, right? You're maintaining the actual keys here, the actual control of your money, your coins, your capital. You can buy with Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa, right? These major credit cards, PayPal. PayPal's trash, but it's nice to have an option. Apple Pay, as well as just using associated debit cards here, right? You can do perpetual or leverage trading within their DeFi app. They boast it's fast. They've got decentralized governance. You can borrow and lend, okay? That means it's also going to function like the Aave dApp. You can stake coins, you can earn yields, and you can easily and quickly swap from these major different fragmented chains, right? Ethereum to Solana to the BNB chain to Arbitrum to Base. If you do DeFi, you can start to understand just how many features are here and how wild all of this is. How are they doing it? They're powered by ZeroDev, Dynamic, Turnkey, Hyperliquid, and Li-Fi. They have an experience ecosystem. Join a faction, earn experience, climb the leaderboard, and win bonus rewards. We're on the cutting edge of this, right? This is all about their app, and they only have the beta web app out right now. The mobile app is coming soon, Q2 2025, to, of course, iOS, Apple, and Android. If you want to get access right now, you can simply punch in code GRANNY, which seems ridiculous. Granny makes a lot more sense if you watch the ad on their homepage, which, to be honest, was actually pretty well done and kind of funny. Here's a couple highlights from it.
This is Nana, and this is Dan. If Nana can't complete the DeFi speedrun challenge in under 45 seconds, Dan gets tased by this guy. And we're off. Create EVM, Bitcoin, and Solana wallets with her email. Done. Buy some ETH with her credit card with no KYC. Done. Swap ETH to a Solana meme coin, no gas, one click. Done in 12 seconds. Long the same meme coin with 5x leverage. Done. Enter a yield farm with her leftover ETH. Click, click,
Done!
and she did it. All done in 25 seconds flat.
So just like that, I'm in. Remember, this is the app beta. So staking and yield farming, it's not ready yet. Leverage trading, not ready yet. AI, and not just AI prompts and random stuff, but AI powered trading, not ready yet. Trading aspect, it's here. So here in the top right, you can see that I have an EVM address and also a Solana address. They have documentation, which we'll run through here, but let's just kind of crash course the app, right? I'm in, good old granny let me in. Now I need to either buy some coin, and they utilize a lot of options, a lot of partners, and these are online and active. Like, you want to buy crypto through Stripe using a debit card, you want to turn USD into USDC, right? You can put in all these different fiat currencies, and you can access all of these different cryptocurrencies. You can use these payment methods in addition to the ones we mentioned earlier. But I've already got plenty of coin, and I'm cash poor and I'm crypto heavy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and deposit some coins. All right, so I want to deposit some Solana. Top token here, Solana. I'll deposit from wallet. Here is the address I need. So I will open up my Solana address. I will click Solana. I will put that address in there. And let's just put 0.1 Solana. We'll just test it out, right? Wow, that was fast. All the chain stuff aside, like between this dApp and that centralized blockchain, that was fast. To be clear, I'm referencing Sol here, not the DeFi app. Let's join the arena. Ooh, kind of like this music. Turn that shit up. VoskCoin. I'm in. Oh, we got vocals too, boys. This is crazy. I mean, we'd be a 5-star recruit, right? Let me back a fellow miner here. Looks like he needs some reinforcements. We're down here at 222. Not so fast. You gotta contribute more, bro. I'm in though. So I guess you get some bonus XP with it. I guess it's more of a fun gamification type thing. Let me turn this off. So I'll grab my link and I'll drop that link down in the video description below if you want to, take part in this stuff. Personally, I think this is pretty cool, and I'm kind of excited for this and where it goes. So let's log back in, right? So I've deposited some Solana here, and then let's say I want to trade it into Pudgy Penguins, which just keeps dropping since the airdrop, right? So I've got that. I want to do just a test trade here, 0.01. So, okay, looks like I'll be doing a 0.05 trade. That's my minimum. I'll get 956 pingus. So swap, bam, generated some experience there on chain activity. It's cool, man. That's a fun gamification of this. I love gamification, and I think it really bodes well just with cryptocurrency in general. So as it stands, this is essentially functioning like a DeFi aggregator, right? So I did that pretty quickly. Let me just reload that trade here, and we can see our route. So on one chain, Solana, swapping on Jupiter, and then I'll receive that Pengu. But let's say that I wanted to get Ethereum. What happens there? So I would swap and bridge, and to do that they would route me through Relay, and then I would receive Ethereum at the end of this trade. They're also estimating a cost here of only 0.125 cents. So that's pretty crazy to go from Solana onto the Ethereum chain. Now the estimated cost is 0.171. I clicked it. We can see how long that takes to complete. I'm gonna put this up over here to the left of me, and I'll pull it up when I notice that it's complete. To kind of round out a little bit more information on DeFi app, right? They have a blog, a couple articles here. It looks like they're posting about one a month or so. All right, that was pretty quick. This is already back, but that's kind of in line. There's This information's here if you're interested, but it's been 2 weeks since our last update. They've been climbing over $500 million in swap volume, 25,000 registered users, and then more than a 99% swap success rate, and top 40 in DeFi DAU, or daily active users. So this already completed. I click on this down here in my profile, in my wallet, essentially in the dApp. You can see my total cost here associated with this, the activity that got me there, how much of this makes up my portfolio, my P&L on it, my average purchase price, my total holdings. I get a quick breakdown of the market cap, the daily volume, the circulating supply, and the all-time high of this cryptocurrency. So honestly, all this information is simple, straightforward, nice. This is clean, nice aesthetic here just within this whole dApp. I pull up Pengu. It logs my buy here on chain. You can see my associated cost again. This is pretty sweet. This is pretty nice. And so I went to my account, I went to my wallets, and I clicked on the key icon, which would indicate a key to the wallet, a private key. So you log in with your email, and that's gonna make it easier to onboard users. But how are these my coins? And how is this DeFi? How is this decentralized? How is this not just a website I'm using that's centralized? We trust that this is set up in a way that this key generation basically happens client side. And if that is done properly, then it gives me these wallet addresses. And only in my account could I get the private key. So my account would have to be improperly accessed or compromised. And at that point, you could get the key. But otherwise, I have my wallet addresses, which are associated with my private keys. These are my coins, and this is a DeFi app, right? I could significantly strengthen this with multi-factor authentication, right? And there's multiple ways that this can be utilized, but if you're putting any sort of significant sum in here, yes, you should set up multi-factor authentication. If you would be upset with how much crypto you potentially lost in here, right? Somebody guessed your email and password because that's the access token. Make sure you do multi-factor authentication. And again, credit to them. I'm glad that this is already here. This is just the beta, and it seems like they are prioritizing the right things. I like that we get trending tokens here in the search bar, the gainers, losers. Don't like to see BTC in there. So this is the VoskCoin review and overview of the DeFi app. They're saying it's their iPhone moment, right? You buy any token instantly, 10x leverage, no gas bridges or KYC, Jarvis AI trading assistant, and full self-custody. And I want to go back to just do one crazy thing. Do you remember when we went from Solana to Ethereum? That is a very expensive transaction that at certain times has cost literally hundreds of dollars, meaning you need to be moving thousands of dollars just to not obliterate your net worth there, right? So if I take this Ethereum and I want to go to Solana, how do I do that? How much would that cost me? You're telling me I can go from Ethereum to Solana for 14 cents? If you aren't experienced with this, that is unheard of. That doesn't happen often. There are some better bridges these days than there used to be. But again, I just want to reiterate, this is crazy. This is cheap. This is impressive. There's something good going on here, and I'm pretty excited about it. If you're excited too, use my link down in the video description below. This isn't some shill bullshit nonsense. If you don't like it, then don't use it. I don't care, but I think this is really cool, and this is one of the coolest things to come across my desk in a while. I'm Drew Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Just call me Vos. This is Super Cutie Pup, SCP. And no, that's not a hint at some kind of cryptocurrency. It was just an acronym. Tails, for 10 seconds of Tails, are SCP, a Super Cutie Pup. Here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Since I've been talking, that swap from Ethereum to Solana just completed. So I've got those coins here on chain. Point is, that was quick. Anyway, there it is. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you subscribe. Hope to see you on the next video. Market's down a little bit recently, but very exciting times, I still think, are right around the corner.
me down.